Okay, so now comes the code for the buttons. What I want it to happen is every time I click that button, I want it to either add, subtract, multiply, or divide, depending on which button they've clicked on. So when this sprite is clicked, I want a new variable called answer. It's right over here, and I can hide it or show it. Woo! Hide it or show it. When I click on that button, what I really want to happen is the two numbers, the first and the second that we've already typed in this case to be added together, because that is the button that I've pressed and what the code I'm on, that blue line around the add button. So I want to, when this button is clicked, or when the sprite is clicked, I want to set the answer to, in this case, the first plus, using the operator, the second. I don't necessarily want them to see it, which is why within the data tag you can actually turn around and say, don't show this variable, because that's kind of like cheating. Message name, guess. So I'm going to broadcast a message that when they've guessed it, Anna is going to do something. So at the moment we'll leave the debug in with the answer there. What's your first number? So I've still got those old ones. 4 and 8. Click the button you need. So it's added the 4 and the 8 together to give us 12. We don't necessarily want it to show that all the time, but it does help us while we're debugging. We want to set this bit of code up in the subtract by dragging it across. Then I can right-click on the green part and go for subtract. Then I'm done. I can go to the multiply, drag it across, automatically appears. Change this one to multiply, which is the times. Didn't want to change it. You're not going to change that times for me? Oh well. If it doesn't for whatever reason, because the subtracted, one last go, change it to the star. Nope, not having any of it. Brilliant. Let's take them out. Remove that one, and it was in operators, there's a multiply. Don't know why it's been a bit buggy today. So, first times the second was when this sprite is clicked. So then we go to divide, and instead of the times, we want the forward slash. Woohoo, it's like a fraction. Don't worry, we're not doing anything with fractions. So now it doesn't matter what button we press, and it doesn't matter what numbers we have typed in. I am going to have to reset them at some point so they start at 0. If I've got 10 and 5 and click divide, my answer is 2. 10 divided by 5, there's 2 lots of 5 in 10. Woohoo! Okay, next thing to do is to get Anna to ask them for their guess, because we want them to guess it first, not just give them the answer. That's a traditional calculator, not yours. Woohoo!